Let me ask you something that might feel uncomfortable. When was the last time you felt genuinely confident about your financial future? Not hopeful, not wishful, actually confident. For most Americans right now, that feeling is becoming more challenging, and that is not an accident. Something is happening in this country that nobody is talking about loudly enough. The rules of financial survival have changed. The old playbook about getting a stable job, saving your money, and everything works out is quietly falling apart in real time, and millions of people are starting to feel it without fully understanding why. So let us start there. We need to discuss what is actually going on and the strategies that the top 5% are implementing to address the challenge. Welcome to Investments Mindset, where wealth builders come to get inspired. Before we continue, please note that we are not financial advisors. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to provide investment advice or recommendations regarding specific securities or investments. Always conduct your own research or consult a qualified financial professional before making any investment decision. Every investment involves risk. Let's dive in. Right now, the average American family is spending roughly $700 more per month than they were just 3 years ago on the exact same lifestyle. Same groceries, same gas, same rent, but the price tags just keep climbing. That is inflation, and it is not some abstract economic theory. It is the reason your paycheck feels smaller, even when the amount on it stays the same or increases annually. It is the reason a cart full of groceries that used to cost $120 now rings up at $190. It is the reason families who thought they were doing everything right are suddenly struggling to keep up. And the job market is not riding in to save the day. Layoffs in the tech sector alone have wiped out hundreds of thousands of positions since 2022. Automation is quietly absorbing entire job categories. Artificial intelligence is beginning to replace tasks that once required years of specialized training. The competition for stable, well-paying work has never been more intense, and the illusion that a single income stream is enough has never been more fragile. Here is the hard truth that most people spend years refusing to accept. If you are only earning money when you are actively working, you are one bad month away from crisis at almost any income level. That is not pessimism. That is physics. A machine that runs only when you push it will always stop the moment you rest. But here is the thing that changes everything. Money does not have to follow those same rules. And once you understand that, everything will start to change. Imagine you have a friend who works tirelessly on your behalf around the clock, every single day, asking for nothing in return except the opportunity to keep working. They bring you income while you sleep. They show up on weekends and holidays. They do not call in sick, they do not quit, and they do not ask for a raise. What you are about to learn is how to build that friendship, not as a fantasy, but as a real, functional system, through something called dividend investing. Here is the foundation. When a company makes a profit, it has choices about what to do with that money. It can reinvest all of it back into the business, or it can share a portion of those profits directly with the people who own pieces of the company, called shareholders. That shared portion is called a dividend. Think of it like being a silent partner in a bakery. The bakery sells bread every day. At the end of the month, they hand you an envelope containing your share of the profits simply because you helped fund the operation. You did not bake anything. You did not open the store. You just owned a piece of it, and the profits followed ownership. Now here is where beginners usually pump the brakes and say, okay, but I do not have enough money to buy into any serious company. And that is exactly the moment to introduce one of the most powerful tools available to everyday investors, the ETF. The acronym ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund, and the best way to understand it is through a simple picture. Imagine you walk into a grocery store, and instead of buying one apple, you buy a fruit basket that already contains apples, oranges, bananas, grapes, and mangoes, all carefully selected and pre-packaged for you. An ETF is that basket, except instead of fruit, it holds shares of dozens or even hundreds of companies at once. When you buy a single share of an ETF, You are instantly diversified across a wide range of businesses. You are not betting your future on one company succeeding or failing. You are spreading your stake across the entire playing field. Now, let us talk about what happens after you receive those dividends, because this is where the real magic begins, and it is something that Albert Einstein reportedly called the eighth wonder of the world. The concept is called compounding, and the simplest way to understand it is through the image of a snowball rolling down a hill. At the top, the snowball is small and moves slowly, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow. The more snow it picks up, the larger it becomes. The larger it becomes, the more surface area it has to collect even more snow with each rotation. By the bottom of the hill, what started as something you could hold in one hand has become something unstoppable. Compounding works the same way with money. Your returns start generating their own returns. The growth curve that starts flat begins to bend upward, slowly at first, and then with breathtaking speed. But compounding needs fuel to do its job, and that fuel comes from something called DRIP, a dividend reinvestment plan. Here is how it works in plain language. Instead of receiving your dividend payments as cash that sits in your account, those payments are automatically reinvested to purchase additional shares of the same investment. Every quarter, your dividends quietly buy you a little more ownership, and because you own more shares, your next dividend payment is slightly larger. That slightly larger payment buys slightly more shares. This results in a slightly larger payment afterward. Over and over, month after month, year after year, this loop feeds itself. Think of DRIP like a self-watering plant. Most people have to remember to water their investments by manually reinvesting earnings. With DRIP activated, the plant waters itself while you focus on everything else in your life. It is automatic, it is relentless, and it never forgets to show up. Here is a real illustration of what this looks like over time, and the numbers will surprise you. Before we continue, if you find value in this video, even just a little, please subscribe and hit the like button to help us continue to provide more insightful and educational videos. Your support is highly appreciated. Thank you. Suppose you invest $10,000 today and never add another dollar. No monthly contributions, no lump sum additions, just a single $10,000 investment left completely alone with DRIP activated, quietly compounding year after year. Now, let us look at two of the most well-known growth-focused ETFs to show you exactly what that patience can produce. The first is VGT, the Vanguard Information Technology ETF, which tracks the performance of the technology sector and has delivered an average annual return of 22.96% over the last 10 years. If your $10,000 had been sitting in VGT with every gain automatically reinvested, after 10 years, you would be looking at approximately $78,900. That same investment, with zero additional contributions, would grow to roughly $622,000 by year 20. And if you simply leave it alone for 30 years, that original $10,000 would compound into approximately $4,920,000. That is not a typo. That is the avalanche that starts with a single snowflake. The second is QQQ, the Invesco QQQ Trust, which tracks the 100 largest non-financial companies listed on NASDAQ and has posted an average annual return of 20.32% over the last decade. With that same $10,000 invested in QQQ and DRIP doing its quiet, relentless work, you would have approximately $63,500 after 10 years. By year 20, that figure will climb to around $403,000. And at the 30-year mark, your original $10,000 would have grown to approximately $2,560,000. Now pause on those numbers for a moment, because what they are really showing you is not just math. They are showing you what time does when you stop fighting it and start using it. The difference between year 10 and year 30 is not just 20 more years of waiting. It is the compounding engine finally hitting its stride, shifting from a slow walk into a full sprint. The first decade feels like almost nothing is happening. The second decade starts to look interesting. The third decade looks like a completely different universe from where you started. This is why financial experts say the single biggest mistake most investors make is not starting too late, it is stopping too early. Every year you delay is a year you are removing from the most powerful end of the compounding curve, which is always the final stretch. Time is not just helpful in this system, it is the most powerful ingredient, and fortunately, it costs you absolutely nothing to use it. But there is a psychological wall most new investors slam into. Usually in the first 6 months, the market moves up, the market moves down. Headlines scream about crashes, friends share horror stories, and suddenly the urge to stop, pause, or wait for the right moment becomes overwhelming. This is where most people quietly walk away from the most powerful wealth-building system available to ordinary people. The antidote to that psychological trap is called dollar-cost averaging, and it is one of the most underrated strategies in all of investing. Here is the idea. Instead of trying to time the market perfectly, which even professional fund managers with access to mountains of data consistently fail to do, you invest a fixed, predictable amount of money on a regular schedule, regardless of what the market is doing, every 2 weeks, every month, whatever rhythm matches your cash flow. Now pay attention, because this is where the psychology flips in a fascinating way. When the market drops, most people panic and do one of the worst things possible. They stop investing or they sell. But under dollar-cost averaging, a market drop is not a threat. It is a discount. Your fixed contribution now buys more shares at lower prices, meaning when the market recovers, and historically, it always has, those extra shares you picked up during the dip are now worth significantly more. You essentially went shopping during the sale, while everyone else was running for the exit. When the market is up, you keep investing, riding the momentum. When it is down, you keep investing, buying more for less. Over time, your average cost per share evens out, eliminating the emotional volatility that destroys most amateur investors before they ever see real results. Let us zoom out for a moment and look at the bigger picture. Because this is ultimately not just a financial conversation, it is a psychological one. We are living through a period in American financial history that is genuinely unprecedented. Inflation has consistently outpaced wage growth for years. The job market continues to reward fewer people with stable income. The housing market has made first-time ownership feel like a distant dream for millions. The systems that once promised security in exchange for hard work are delivering less and demanding more. In that environment, the most radical thing you can do is stop waiting for an external rescue and start building an internal engine. Not because it is easy, not because the returns feel significant at first, but because the alternative, which is doing nothing and hoping conditions improve, is a strategy that history consistently punishes. The investors who built lasting wealth did not wait for perfect conditions. They did not have insider knowledge or elite connections. What they had was a repeatable system and the discipline to trust it when it felt slow, boring, and when the headlines were screaming that everything was about to collapse. So here is where you stand today. You can begin with a modest amount, genuinely modest, and invest it in a diversified dividend ETF. You can activate DRIP and let every dollar of earnings automatically compound into more ownership. You can commit to adding a consistent amount every single month through dollar-cost averaging, removing emotion entirely from the equation. That is the complete system. It is not glamorous, it is not fast, but it is real, accessible, and available to you right now, regardless of your starting point. The financial landscape is harder than it has ever been. Inflation is real. Job security is fragile. The pressure is constant. But within that pressure exists the most powerful motivation to build something that cannot be laid off, cannot be outpaced by rising prices, and does not require your presence to keep growing. Your money has been sitting on the sidelines long enough. It is time to put it to work. Now, if you're serious about building real wealth, then consider this channel your financial gym. Every video is a workout for your portfolio, your mindset, and your money skills. If today's video helped you level up your financial education, even just a little, please smash that like button and subscribe so we can continue to grow and build wealth the smart way. Please note that we are not financial advisors. The content on this channel is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to provide investment advice or recommendations regarding specific securities or investments. Always conduct your own research or consult a qualified financial professional before making any investment decision. Every investment involves risk. Listen, if you want to know the 5 best Fidelity index funds to buy and hold for life, or the 5 best high-yield ETFs for monthly dividends with zero NAV erosion, check out the videos on your screen right now. Thank you, my friend.